A lot of people, when they're starting out with event rental systems, want to know how to edit some of the things that the system comes standard with. So a lot of those things that you're going to want to edit are right down here. Some of these will be moving to the system setup, as I've mentioned in other videos, but this is under advanced options from the main menu. For example, if you want to edit the pages in your website, whether that be edit the ones that are already in there, or if you want to make new ones, you can go in here. So if I wanted to make something that, I don't know, like fun stuff, well, I already made one, so I made something called fun stuff that shows up on the main navigation. We could make a fun stuff 2 just by going to add new, and we just add a title. We'll say fun stuff 2, and in here you have essentially a word processor. This is our content management system. You can use this little symbol right here to bring in images. You can use this right here to make tables so that your formatting is the way you want it to be. You can change text color, fill color. If you want to put in your own HTML, you can switch to source. So I could just type this is a test page for fun stuff 2. Okay, and then if I wanted to see what that looks like in HTML, you just switch to source. Okay, so this is you can add as many pages as you want. If you want fun stuff 2 to be under another main navigation, so this would be sub navigation, we could make the parent fun stuff, for example, and then fun stuff 2 would be under fun stuff. So a more common example that I use for this is I would make an about page, and then under the about I might put testimonials and a contact us and a company history, things like that. So each of those would be their own pages underneath the navigation of about. So hopefully that clears things up. If you want to add a whole bunch of pages with pictures and recipes and things like that, you can add as many as you want, put them into the sub navigation, and have fun with that. So just make sure that you hit submit at the end of your editing, otherwise your work will be lost. So there's pages, and one more thing just to point out real quick, that your home page is split into two parts. There's home top, which shows above the ordering information in the categories, and then there's just home, which is the information that's down below. And I do recommend putting a lot of keywords that match your meta tags in the home section. So down on the bottom you could put information like they're known by lots of names, fun jumps, bounce houses, moonwalks. That's just keyword loading. Make sure that you get some of that in there. Don't overdo it. The search engines are aware if you're overloading them. But if you get them in there 2 or 3 times a piece, you're doing okay. And you can also put announcements like our Easter Sunday special is going in there. Just make sure, once again, you hit submit when you're done to make sure you save any changes that you've made. And that's it for editing pages.